All right. Hello. Today we're going to play a game and it says right here, put the base form verb together. Now what's that mean? Let's look. So it's starting. Okay, so we have the word will here. That's the auxiliary verb. And after the auxiliary verb, you put the base form verb. So look, it says playing right here. So if you take the unmodified, unchanged verb of playing, it would be play. So let's put this together. Let's see if I get this right. Play. There you go. Will play, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. Will. So if I say will watches, that's strange. You will say will watch. So I will watch. There we go. I will watch a movie. You guys get it? Let's try another one. So no one will ever say will jumps. You will say will jump. I will jump or he will jump. So jump, jump. No S or no ing. There's the base form verb. Will sitting. So you can't say will sitting. You will say will sit. Oh, and you only have one T. Look. Will sit. Sit. There. Will talked. That's strange, right? He will talk a lot. Yes, talk. Will talk. There's the base form verb. Base form verb of writes is write. There you go. Will singing. So you don't say will singing, you will say will sing. Here's the future tense. Will sing. He will sing a song. She will sing a song. Will dance. D-A-N-C-I? Whoa. This might be a little bit tricky. D-A-N-C-I. Ends with an E. Will dance. Oops, I missed one. Will cook. There we go. Woohoo! Will draw. I'm getting good at this. Will. This is a strange word. No, it's laugh. Will laugh, not will laughing. And this GH makes an F sound. Laugh. Will crying? Nope. Will cry. The baby will cry if you don't let it drink milk. Cry. Will build. We will build. What will we build? We will build a sand castle. Build. Will sell. We will sell some food. We will sell some food there. Will thinking. Will think. Alright, if you like this game, you can click in the link below and you can play it too. Okay? And if you want to learn more about grammar, join our Headstart grammar class. You will love it. There's lots of games, lots of lessons, and after you finish this class, you'll be a grammar master. I hope to see you in class, and feel free to join our game. I am finished. Whoa, look here. So leaderboard, I could put my name here. My name is Dino. There, I'm Dino. Ah! Someone did better than me. Nizzy. Okay. Alright. Great job. And hey, if you want to play again, you could push this button, but I'm not going to do that. You can play it. Alright, click in the link below and you could try this game. And also, maybe if you want, you could join our super grammar class. Alright, see you in class. Bye bye.